po ba akong makahingi ng isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan? Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan, syempre pagpasensyahan nyo na po ang aking boses. Medyo pang lalaki na siya. So, I really once again, good evening everyone. To all of you, so Arden, on behalf of Celebrants family, we truly appreciate your presence today and we hope you enjoy the party because we have lots of fun and exciting activities. Para ng ating birthday celebrant, palakpakan naman tayo dyan. Alright, Mama Marilyn and Papa Roger. Yes, come on, go! Yeah! Together with your little brother, John Franz Mendoza. Beautiful girl, where are you? When I saw you at all. Isang malakas na palakpakan naman tayong lahat dyan. Ay, maraming naman. Wait, there's more. Mamaya tayo po. Pwede po bang lang tayo ay makika-opt? Kay lahat ay sasayaw. So, alright, DJ. Dane! Tating dito sa atin.